won't they stop singing? Oh my sugar, the radio, it's back on. So you guys don't have to sing anymore. We can listen to actual music.
I guess.
You must stop driving over X's garden!
Yeah!
You've already trampled his aloe vera plant 73 times!
That was mean!
73 times? We've driven over the same spot 73 times?
Yeah, we got home hours ago. I just drove in circles so we could have more time with Leafy. Wasn't it so much fun? So much bonding. And I saw in the back mirror that you were having a seizure.
Have brought you here today for a public service announcement.
Yeah.
You need to respect my aloe vera more, and that means...
Okay, we'll respect it more, but don't we have to do
croissant? Oh!
He's right, you know. The show must go on.
Oh, all right.
Croissant, 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 croissant.
FRIGG?
Alright, have-nots. You lost last time. So whichever of you got the fewest votes will leave BFB. If you're safe, come pick up your prize from this table.
But the aloe vera, it's in the way.
Hold on, Spongy. Where'd your friendship bracelet go? The one I gave you?
Anyway, first contestant safe is Fiery. Woody. Flower. Loser. It's down to Blocky and Spongy, the two original returners. I support you, Blocky.
I would support you, Spongy, but I don't see you wearing any friendship pride.
Which contestant is safe? The last prize goes to... good old Blocky!
Oh yeah, this guy is a butler!
Nice throw!
Ikes, are you actually trying to grow aloe vera?
Yeah!
Well, Ikes, I should let you know, aloe vera can't grow in this biome.
Why not?
Too little sun.
Oh, so that's why they're still so small. I always thought it was for a different reason.
Gotcha!
Teardrop, go tell 4 about this.
Ma? Oh, wow, really? OMG, you're right. Plus 1 point for the half-cots. Minus 2 points for the half-cots.
Ruby!
Blocky, you're not going in?
Nah, I'ma let them handle it.
Why not? Isn't mischief, like, your thing?
Well, I used to be in the spotlight a lot. Back before your time, I had the show called
Blocky's funny doings. Internet.
Whoa. Blocky, you're a funny doer. You do funny things. How about we do stuff instead of sitting around and reminiscing about it?
I remember that one time I reminisced.
In fact, the viewers are getting so bored, I'm even making shadow puppets to entertain them.
So you're saying I should do more funny doings?
Yes, I'm saying that you...
Drop gold. I found it.
Now press it.
Not yet. First, we need a drum roll.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh, for goodness sake, just press it already.
Bubble,
Yo, yeah?
how do you know so much about aloe vera?
Oh, I'd be happy to answer.
OxyClean Laundry Stain Remover. It gets the tough stains out.
It helps keep my skin hydrated so I don't pop from dryness. Check it out.
Oh, well, I'm happy to hear it works for you.
What about you, Pipsqueak? Why do you want to grow aloe vera? You got an answer, so now you must give an answer.
X, you don't have to answer. Only do it if you're comfortable.
No, I can answer. I just gotta think about how to word it.
He burned you? What a monster! Don't worry, X. I'll avenge you.
Hooray! X's crops are growing faster. You're right. Have-nots, that's plus 5 points.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Maybe the sun's too hot now.
You think?
X sounds like he's hurting. Maybe we should help him?
I think you guys should.
Hey guys, where did we even find this spaceship? It's made of cardboard.
I don't know. I think a friend donated it to me.
Well, which friend?
Don't remember. Probably not important.
Hey guys, for a FRIGG, build a really shabby rocket ship out of cardboard. Give it to your enemy team. Then, as they fly towards the sun, watch them burn slowly and painfully. Check it out. 3, 2.
This program was brought to you by Blocky's Funny Doings International.
Wow! X's aloe vera is now taller than me. Looks like X's problems are solved.
My problems are not solved.
And it's all because of the have-nots deadly sun laser. So their team wins. The have-cots lose. So their members will be up for elimination. And the one who gets the fewest votes to be saved will be eliminated.
There is still something very wrong with this situation.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, that can be next month's